Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 15th, 2020, we will continue with the second regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. Before I start, I always count the printed numbers now so I can compare with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. So how many printed numbers are in this puzzle? Let me count. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, 14, 17, 18, plus 4 is 23, 18, wait, I made a mistake. 2, 5, 10, 14, 17, 18 plus 4 is 22, 24 plus 4 is 28. 28? No, that cannot be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yeah, 28. Wow. Because the Sudoku with a 1 star, 1 star Sudoku in the additional 27 printed numbers. So this is a 28. That means the difficulty level is lower than the 1 star. So sometimes the medium Sudoku 26, 27, 28, I do not know. But the printed numbers is not a standard for the difficulty level. If you have a lot of pairs in a puzzle, maybe that puzzle deserves a 4 star. Anyway, let's get started. Well, we have in this column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then we see here in this row 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then let me see. We have an 8 in this row, the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see with another digit. How about the number 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then the 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Well. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. No. The missing numbers here are the 5, 6, and 1. 5, 6, and 1. We see here 5 and a 6. So no 5, 6 in this box. One digit left should be the 1. Here we have the 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. The 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Here we have 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? 5 and the 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright. 4. Well. What can I do? 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this last column. The 2 and the 3 are missing. 2 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 7. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yes. Then Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are, nope. We have a 4 here. This cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 7. Now I have all the 4s. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 7 in this row, a 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Then 1, yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There are 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then 8, 3 and 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 2, and I cannot fill this yet, but in the middle column, the 5 and the 2, we see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Again, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again, and see you next time. Yes, The next time will be in a minute with the killer Sudoku. Alright, see you soon. Bye bye for now.